So the steel men, they were working last night. They got here about 6, 7 o'clock and they worked till 3 o'clock this morning. Alright, so this is the progress. This is day 2 of transforming my roof from shingles to concrete slab, sloping concrete slab. Alright, so they did some more work on this side. Alright, so they did some work on this side. Yeah, they have more work to go. Alright, so they haven't touched right here, neither this one, because this thing is posing a problem. Right, so they haven't touched around this side. Alright, they haven't touched this side, this one either. They're gonna have to go all the way up, but this is what they did. Alright, so this massive, yeah, this massive hole that they dig right here, so, and they went all the way up. So this would be the base for the foundation. So basically what will happen is the roof will rest on the column, and it will just they will just seal it to the existing wall, even though they said the wall is very, very tough, but it didn't have that support on the concrete roof, so they had to put in columns. Alright, so this one is done. Alright, they're gonna excavate it some more, so till they actually see the steel. Alright, so they finish with this one also. Yep. Yeah, so these are the wires that they use to hold the concrete, but there are steels inside, not much though. There's a steel right there. They put the steel slant, so you have steel in the wall but not many. But this concrete is very tough. It's not like the one that they're building right now. Alright, so this is another one. Right, okay, so this is the before of everything. Yeah, so when this is all finished, then you will see the finished look. Alright, some columns. The guys built some columns last night, mentioned that already. Some more steel tied out. Alright, day 5 of transforming this this shingle roof to concrete slab. Alright, so we have one column there, so cast already. That's the foot. We have one right there, another one right there. So this is after one week work. Alright, so we have the other columns that need to grow in the back. Alright, we have this one cast from yesterday. This one was done yesterday, and this one was done today. Yeah, so that's the progress. Yes, yep, this one was done also. All right. Along with this one. Yeah. So we decided not to not to put on the metal roof because we know that already. I don't want to be worried anytime there's another hurricane or anything at all. I don't want to be worried anytime at all about the roof. Right? We know that concrete roof leaks sometimes. Thank God this is a sloping roof. And you can always put a membrane or something over the roof. Yeah, but we won't have to worry about the roof flying off or anything like that in a storm. Yeah, you won't need to go up there and check your button down or anything like that, you know. So that's the progress after 5 days. So let's see what the other 5 days bring, and let's see how long this project will take to complete.